Hello friends, we will see how probability is affecting our day-to-day life. We used to talk probability of raining is that, probability of winning is that types of problems will be encountered here. We will just develop the basic concept of probability, and I say that is not the basic, that is the only concept we will be developing today, and that concept is probability of any event is favorable outcome by total outcome. That is the basic definition and the only definition. Total outcome, what in total can be, and favorable outcome, what we want. Suppose I'm just throwing a die. Okay, what is happening? Total outcome is 6. It can be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I want, or I have to find the probability of getting an even number, what are the favorable things? Either 2, 4 or 6. So number of the favorable thing is 3 here and the total outcome is 6. So the probability will be 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. That is very basic thing. Suppose in a class 6 students are there, out of which 4 are boys and 2 are girls. Okay, I have to select one student which is happening to be a boy. That means find the probability of selecting a boy from 6 students. So favorable outcome here is 4 and the total outcome is 6. So probability is coming out to be 2 by 3. In this way we have to find the probability of any event. Now we will see what the meaning of the event is. What is an event? Event means anything happening. Now we will see if 2 events are happening, what is the relation between these 2 events? Either they will be exhaustive event. What is the meaning of exhaustive event? See that if an event is happening in this fashion and the remaining part of the event of the total sample space is happening in y ways and total number of probability of x and y is 1, then they are called exhaustive event. What does this mean? Only x and y is making the completion of the event. In this case, if a die is thrown, we throw odd numbers. If is one event, it is coming out to be 1 by 2. Throwing even numbers is another event, that is also coming out to be 1 by 2. And now the sum of both the event is making one total event, odd or even. So these 2 events are known to be exhaustive event. We will be dealing with such type of terms in next level of problem solving. Another thing is mutually exclusive event. Mutually exclusive means they are not dependent on each other. Suppose a coin is tossed, either a head can come or a tail can come. Coming of tail is independent of head and coming of head is independent of tail. Same way, if we throw a dice, even number is coming or odd number is coming. They are independent of each other. That means they are mutually exclusive events. That is the basic definition about the event. Now we will see what is odds in favor and what is odds against an event. That we will see. Odds in favor of any event, I just say in local language, chance of winning by chance of losing. That means chance of happening of the event divided by chance of non-happening of the event. Happening and non-happening are mutually exclusive. If happening is PE, then non-happening is 1 minus PE, and that is termed as PE dash, complementary of that. Because they are mutually exclusive. Either it will happen or it will not happen. So happening by non-happening is odds in favor. Odds against an event, odds against is non-happening by happening, and non-happening we know 1 minus PE by PE, that is odds in favor, odds against an event. So we can find these things, odds in favor and odds against an event. The basic problems we will be seeing for finding the probability is you just see what the total outcome is there and what you want is the favorable outcome. Suppose 2 dice are thrown. What is the total outcome? It is coming out to be 36. That is total outcome. Firstly, just go for finding out total outcome and then go for finding out the favorable outcome in all the type of questions. That is my recommendation. Suppose I want the sum to be 9. So what will be the favorable outcome? It can be 9 can be made as 3, 6, 6, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4. That's all. Only 4 possible ways are there when the sum of the numbers appearing on the 2 dice is making 9. So the favorable outcome here is 4 and the total outcome is 36. So the probability of throwing 2 die and getting the sum 9 is favorable is 4, total number of favorable outcome by total number of possible outcome, that is coming out to be 1 by 9. So the basic definition we will be following to find the probability of any event as favorable outcome by total outcome. Hope you are understanding the basic definition of probability. Thank you.